Case for Anissa Novri and Khairunisa. Anissa Novri still here? Anissa Novri and Khairunisa. Yeah. Okay, Lisa ready?
Ready, Miss.
Anissa Novri kemana nih? Please turn on your camera.
Kamera mana nih? Wala ko. Ay, Allah pilak.
Anissa Novri. Hello. Yeah. Okay. Nisa, your face. Okay, ready? I will count until 3 ya. 1, 2, 3. Let's go.
Good morning, Miss.
Good morning.
What's the matter?
Gak jelas, Ay, suaranya.
What's the matter?
I have got a difficulty in bowel motion, feel nauseated, and want to vomit.
How long has it been?
It's been a week.
What is it like?
It's burning pain in my stomach.
What make it worse? Worse.
Eating food make it worse. Okay, thank you. Sudah, Miss.
Loh, closingnya mana?
Okay.
Okay, yes, thank you. Ya, tadi udah ada openingnya ya. Terus tadi udah what's the matter, and then eating food makes it better. Makes it worse.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. You can yeah, you cannot say that you have an anorexia nervosa seperti tadi contohnya gastritis. Itu kan kalian sebagai patient nggak mungkin bilang saya gastritis gitu kan, nggak mungkin. Saya anorexia nervosa nggak mungkin ya kan, karena dia pasti nggak tahu karena orang awam. Mungkin di akhirnya bisa gini, oh you are diagnosed with anorexia nervosa, bisa kasih saran juga, you should. Nah, ya jadi nggak hanya closingnya itu the doctor will check your condition, but uh, it may vary ya, jadi bisa bervariasi, various giving suggestions, for example, or well, thank you.
Thank you, Miss.
Yeah. Next case will be there. We still have 4 cases. Okay, case 2.
Yes, Miss.
Yeah. Case 2 is let's check. Case 2 tadi siapa ya? Aji and Ayunda ya?
Yes.
Okay, are you ready?
Insyaallah ready, Miss.
Please turn on the camera. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ayunda mana kameranya? Yeah. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Good evening.
Good evening, Nur.
What is it like?
It is a stabbing pain.
How often does it happen?
After a few minutes apart,
Where do you feel the pain?
I feel it in my lower back pain in one side just below the ribs.
How long does it last?
It lasts for 3 days ago.
What do you feel?
I feel nauseous.
What makes it worse?
Sitting upright makes the pain worse.
That's all.
Sudah, Miss.
Closingnya mana? Yeah, okay, thank you. So, comment for case 2. When making dialogue, it's not like sudden asking about what's the matter. Ya, sorry, tadi apa ya? Tiba-tiba bilang what is it like kalau nggak salah ya yang pertama kali. After good evening. Ya, betul Ayunda?
Yes, Miss.
Yeah, okay. So, my comment is that when you are having conversation after the opening, jangan tiba-tiba langsung misalkan good evening, kemudian langsung what is it like? Lah, kenapa? Ada apa? Kenapa bisa tiba-tiba bertanya what is it like? Ya. So you have to ask first about the condition. For example, how are you? Mungkin kak atau kak what's the matter atau how do you feel? Kan bisa jadi pertanyaan awal sebelum masuk ke what is it like dan lain-lain. Jadi jangan ujuk-ujuk mendadak tanya what is it like. Gitu ya Ayunda and Aji ya.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, yes, thank you. And now we move to the other group. Okay, so right, case 6. Case 6 is Anissa Arum and Agis. Anissa Arum, are you here?
Belum dibalas, Miss. Udah di WA belum dibalas.
Oh, tadi kayaknya udah masuk ya. Sempat masuk bentar. Mungkin ini ada ini Anissa.
Udah, Miss.
What's the matter
Ya,
with
udah.
you in your area?
I don't know. Wifi-nya mati, Miss. Nggak tahu di sini wifi-nya belakangan ini lagi bermasalah di kosan.
Oh, I see. You are in Purwokerto?
Terus, iya,
So, where are you right now?
boarding house
Tapi masih tetap di boarding house ya?
masih.
Okay, yeah. Ready, Anissa and Agis?
Yes.
Miss.
Okay. Turn on the camera. Can you?
Sure. Wait.
Okay. For your information, that in this meeting, meeting 3 and meeting 4, we are not having kind of quiz, but the score will get from the role play. Ya, jadi nilai-nilai PI saya ambil dari nilai role play untuk meeting 3 dan meeting 4. Jadi meeting 3 dan 4 tidak ada.
Sorry. Maaf, Miss.
Ya.
Ini kameranya nggak bisa nyala
Oke, ya
di
udah.
laptop.
Agis bisa?
Bisa, Miss. Gitu.
Ya. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, ready.
Good morning.
Good morning.
What's the matter?
I got diarrhea.
Where do you feel the pain?
In my stomach.
How do you describe your pain?
I got lost and water stool. My stomach is also bloating.
How long does it last?
It starts from today.
How often does it happen?
I have to go to bathroom about five and 6 times a day.
How is it like?
It's like table fan on my stomach.
What makes it better?
Drinking a lot of warm water makes it feel a bit better.
What makes it worse?
It's spicy food makes it worse.
Have you taken any drugs before?
Itu mana ya? It's repeat, Miss.
I st- Oh, nggak detik ya?
Yang have apa ya?
I still have
Have you taken drugs before? Miss? Miss.
Have you taken any drugs?
Okay, wait. Ya. Jawabannya I still have
I
diarrhea.
still have
Or
diarrhea
I have
atau I have taken Oralit.
Yeah.
Okay, wait for a second. The doctor will check you soon.
Thank you.
Okay.
Done.
Yes, thank you. Pertanyaan untuk yang you have got loose and watery stool tadi apa? Yang jawabannya loose and watery.
How do you describe your find?
Oh, okay. How do you describe your when you ask how do you describe your pain, it means that you have to tell whether it is a terrible pain or slight pain or something else. But here, loose and watery stool ini mungkin lebih ke bisa pakai what the matter juga atau pertanyaan yang lain, what do you feel, atau bisa juga any other complaints juga bisa masuk. Any other complaints, I've got loose and watery stool. Jadi untuk yang how do you describe ini pertanyaannya kurang tepat. Ya, jadi lebih ke
Baik, Miss.
jadi lebih ke apa tadi, bisa what's the matter, pertanyaan yang tentang feeling lah ya, apa yang dirasakan, kemudian ya ya oke, nanti kita coba lihat lagi yang severity. Kalau how do you describe your pain kemarin kan masuk ke severity ya. Oke, yes, thank you. And now let's move to the other group. We still have two cases, case 1 and case 5. Okay, here we go. Yay, case 1. Okay, case 1. Ya.
Rizka Putri sama Ibe.
Oh, bertiga ya. Febriano, Rizka, and Putri.
Iya, Miss.
Okay, my internet connection is unstable. Yeah. Okay, Febriano, Rizka, and Putri, turn on the camera. Putri Ayu, can you turn on the camera? Right, so ready?
Allah, Miss.
How many nurse? How many nurse?
Two.
Oh, two nurses and one patient.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Good morning. Did you call me?
What's wrong with you?
Yes, nurse. I did. I have complained many times and sometimes it is bloody.
When did it first start?
Since today, though.
What is it like?
I also have nurse lost blood movement.
Do you feel pain?
Yes, I did. I feel fine.
Where do you feel pain?
I feel pain in my upper abdomen.
What makes it worse?
My condition becomes it is too much. It's something there is each other to speak or too much or acid and smoke.
Have you taken any drugs before?
I have consulted, but my condition is getting.
Okay, please wait a moment. Doctor will check you soon.
Yes, nurse, thank you.
Finish,
Yeah.
Miss.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Ya. Tadi coba yang 2 days ago, jawabannya 2 days ago, pertanyaannya gimana?
When did it first start?
Okay, good. When did it? Yes. Right. Okay. Thank you guys. And the last will be not group ya. Case 5. Case 5 is Kiana and Tiara.
Yes,
Maaf,
Miss.
Miss.
Where is
Maaf,
Tiara?
Miss.
Ya, gimana?
Maaf, Miss. Tiaranya nggak masuk ini Jimit. Jadi saya menggantikan bagaimana?
Ya, boleh. By the way, Tiara kenapa tidak berangkat? Nggak ada informasi?
Nggak ada, Miss. Nggak dibalas.
Oke, berarti absent. Ya. Okay, so ready ya? Nisa,
Yes,
can
Miss.
you turn on the camera? Okay, go.
Good morning. I'm Nurse Gia. Miss Tiara, right?
Good morning. Yes, I am Tiara.
Could you please mention your date of birth?
I was born on April 4th, 2001.
What do you feel, Miss?
I feel feverish, nauseated, and vomited, and pain in the abdomen.
When did it first start?
It start. It started a week ago.
Where do you feel the pain?
I feel a pain around my navel in the lower right spot of abdomen.
What is it like?
It's sharp.
How often does it happen?
Every after meal.
What makes it worse?
Squatting bowel motion make it worse.
What makes it better?
Drinking warm water make it better.
Does this pain affect your daily activities?
Of course, I feel lost appetite.
Okay, I will prepare medicine, Miss.
Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you, nurse.
Okay, that's all? Alright, thank you so much. Wait a minute. You are the last question. What is it?
Does this pain affect your daily
Activity.
activities?
Jawabannya tadi
Masuk
gimana?
gak sih?
Jawabannya?
Of course, I feel lost. I feel lost appetite.
Oke, saya rasa itu kurang tepat ya.
Yang
Mungkin
tepat ya, Miss.
kan itu pertanyaannya apakah mempengaruhi kegiatan sehari-hari. Mungkin ketika misalkan orang sakit, misal ya, orang sakit contohnya apa nih? Ya, misalkan ada luka, injury atau apa itu kan sangat mengganggu aktivitas. Ya kan? Misalkan nggak bisa kerja, nggak bisa ini. Nah, tapi kalau ini lebih ke apa sakitnya? Appendicitis. Kira-kira
Sakit
usus buntu
bagian.
kan?
Iya.
Ya, jadi dia kira-kira apakah dia mengganggu kegiatan sehari-harinya?
Enggak deh, Miss. Tapi saya mikirnya kan itu kan low celiac appetite, berarti kan nafsu makannya kurang ya.
Oke.
Jadi bisa mengganggu kegiatan, mungkin jadi lemas gitu. Jadi saya masukin pertanyaannya itu, Miss.
Oh. Okay. Does it affect your daily activities because of appetite? Saya rasa masih
Tapi kurang ya, Miss.
Iya, betul, kurang.
Iya.
Ya, jadi mungkin yang mengganggu itu misalkan tadi ya, seperti karena ada luka, nggak bisa bekerja, atau mungkin karena ada ini, dia nggak bisa melakukan suatu hal apapun itu, gitu. Jadi lebih ke situ. Oke.
Yes, Miss.
Anyway. Right, everyone. So, we have 5 cases. Jadi saya mau koreksi di case berapa ya? Ada case 4. Case 4. Case 4 ini siapa tadi? Oh, Nofri and Khairunisa ya. Case 2 coba. Aji and Ayunda. Pertanyaan yang
Yes, Miss.
jawabannya 3 days ago. Yeah, just want to make sure. What is the question?
How long does it last?
Oke, nah itu dia. Oke, ketika pertanyaannya how long does it last, itu kan artinya berapa lama dia berlangsung kan sakitnya. Tapi ini kan jawabannya ada 3 days ago. How long does it last? Mungkin lebih tepatnya pertanyaannya diganti ya. Iya, bentar, saya mau share dulu yang ini. How long does it last? Okay. Sudah kelihatan?
Sudah, Miss.
Ya.
Udah, Miss.
Oke, tadi how long does it last? Let's go to timing. Nah, when it is asking about beginning of pain, atau yang tadi jawabannya adalah since 3 days ago, you should use this question. When did you first feel it? Jawabannya 3 days ago. Yeah. But when it is asking how long duration, kalian jawabnya it lasts for 3 days. Gak usah pakai ago. Ago itu dipakai ketika pertanyaannya when did you first feel it? Ya, lebih tepat dipakai seperti itu daripada pakai yang how long. Kalau how long ini berapa lama berlangsungnya? 3 hari yang lalu. Berapa lama berlangsungnya? 3 hari gitu aja. It lasts for 3 days. Gak usah pakai ago. Ya, koreksi itu saja. Tadi ada yang masih kebalik. When did you first notice it? Kapan? Last week, yesterday, 3 days ago. Ya. Jadi bisa diganti pertanyaannya menjadi begitu ya, si Aji dan Ayunda ya.
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Oke, ya. Oke. Well, I think this is the end of our meeting 3 and 4. Handling complaint and role play. And I need you to submit, karena nggak ada quiz kan, tadi sudah role play. I need you to submit your script of your role play yang baru saja kalian kerjakan. Itu juga nanti akan saya nilai. And kalau mau diganti boleh, silakan kalau mau direvisi dulu boleh, baru nanti kalian bisa submit to Salsa, and you can submit it nanti sekitar jam 11. Saya buat dulu kotaknya, kotak tugasnya, and it will be until midnight, sampai tengah malam bisa submit ya. Yang
Miss, mau nanya,
ya boleh.
itu ngumpulnya perwakilan aja Pak semuanya,
Ya,
Miss?
ini saya mau bahas berarti ngumpulnya satu kelompok satu anak saja.
Oke, Miss. Thank
Oke,
you.
Tapi
Miss.
kalau attendance, kalian semua submit attendance ya. Oke. Well, for next meeting, terakhir adalah hari Rabu. Kita beranjak ke materi ENA 1.2. I have assignments for you. Karena di ENA 1.2 itu sudah membahas pre, intra, dan post. Saya nggak mau kalian bahas lebih dalam, tapi saya ingin kalian tell me about pre-operatif, intra-operatif, and post. Ya, ini yang akan saya So there will be 3 groups. We will have presentation time, and it will also be scored. Saya nilai juga. Muncul nggak nih Microsoft Word-nya?
Muncul, Miss.
Okay, so we have group 1, group 2, and group 3. Group 1 will talk about pre-operative anesthesia or assessment, and group 2 will talk about intraoperative, and group 3 will talk about post-operative. Nanti kita pilih kelompoknya. Yang perlu diperhatikan when you make PowerPoint is that saya tidak mau informasi lengkap yang ada di sini. Saya tahu mungkin kalian bosan dengan ini. Ya, karena pelajaran kalian di semester 6 ini kan. Ya. Jadi, what you have to do is that I just want to know what is in each stage. Udah, itu aja. For example ya, saya kasih contoh, saya nggak tahu nih ya. For example, preoperative, check a patient's condition, and then have a patient's informed consent, dan lain-lainnya. Ya, kalian list stage apa atau yang ada di preoperatif itu kalian ngapain aja. Cuman itu saja yang saya mau tahu. Di intra itu kalian ngapain aja. For example, give induction to patient. Ya enggak? Give injection, give blah blah. Give anesthesia treatment, something else. Di postoperatif, move the patient to the ward, transporting the patient to the recovery room, for example. Nah, jadi di list kegiatannya apa saja. Activities in each stage. Oke, sampai sini dulu. Is there any question? No? Paham ya apa yang harus dilakukan? Oke, coba diulangi. Apa yang harus dilakukan? What you have to do? Ya, siapa yang mau jawab?
Poin-poinnya aja kan, Miss? Misal di pre-op ngapain gitu.
Iya, betul. Poinnya aja. Seperti contoh ini ya. Check patient's condition kah? Atau have patient's informed consent? Atau kegiatan apa? Sudah ya? Paham ya? Oke. Next. I'm going to ask you about this expressions. What kind of expressions you use when you are in preoperative? Kalau kalian di preoperatif itu ekspresi atau pertanyaan apa, atau kalian tuh bahas apa saja di sana? Bisakah dia bahas tentang atau dia bertanya antara pasien dan perawat anestesi, ataukah perawat anestesi dengan dokter? Lebih kemana kalau di preoperatif?
Perawat anestesi sama pasien, Miss.
Pasien.
Perawat anestesi dengan pasien. Oke. Kalau di intra itu berarti udah nggak ada tindakan apapun ya, dalam artian tidak ada percakapan ya.
Ada mungkin cuma nanya masih kerasa nggak Bu, atau pasiennya tuh bilang saya agak mual atau dingin gitu, Miss.
Oh, oke. Lebih ke bertanya tentang ini ya, setelah dilakukan tindakan gitu ya.
Yes, Miss.
Oh, berarti masih nurse anesthesia and patient. And then in post-operative, what kind of conversation that you make in this stage? Is it still between nurse anesthesia and patient?
Yes, Miss.
Biasanya pertanyaannya apa?
Ini apa ya? Mual nggak? Kayak gitu, Miss, biasa. Masih ada mual apa enggak, atau pusing di
Oh,
pos.
mirip dengan intra ya?
Iya, tapi kadang nggak semua sih, Miss. Misal pasiennya belum sadar penuh kesadarannya.
Yang di
Tapi
post-operatifnya?
tapi percakapannya tetap nurse anestesi sama pasiennya yang lebih banyak.
Okay, yes, I've got the point. Okay, so next meeting on Wednesday, I need you to list the activities and also list the conversation. Bukan conversation, lebih ke expressions used in each stage. Ya. Seperti tadi misalkan, bisa juga nggak misalkan gini, lay down, berbaring gitu, atau miring, nggak bisa ya, karena mereka udah dibius kan.
Di intranya ya, Miss?
Mm-mm.
Iya, udah berbaring sih biasanya. Udah diposisiin duluan sebelum dibius.
Oh, oke, ya. Mungkin tadi apa ya, mual gitu ya. Do you feel nausea? Dan lain. Oke, ini saja ekspresinya dan activities untuk yang dipresentasikan for next meeting. So, we have only 3 groups. The first is preoperative, and the second is intraoperative, and the third is postoperative. And in your PowerPoint, you will explain about the activities in each stage and also the expressions used in the stage. That's all. Activities and expressions. Any question? No questions means that you understand. Thank you.
Yes, Miss.
Febriano, ada pertanyaan?
Nggak ada, Miss.
Oke, paham ya. Cuman ada 2 yang perlu dikerjakan, activitiesnya dan ekspresi. Nah, I will make the group. Kita isikan dulu nama-namanya yang ada. Rizka. Anissa Nofri. Ada yang belum disebut?
Putri.
Oh iya.
Anissa
Anissa
Arum.
Arum.
Anissa, oh iya, Anissa Arum still here?
Sama Tiara, Miss.
Oh iya. Yes, 11 students. So I will spin the wheel and choose 3 students. Sebentar. Yang paling susah itu di mana? Pre-anesthesia, pre-operative, intra, or post? Yang paling susah di mana? What do you think is the most difficult stage? Atau semuanya susah? Guys, saya ngomong sama siapa guys?
Miss.
Ya. Say something please. Yang susah yang di mana?
Ya, semua kayaknya.
Semuanya susah ya. Ya udah deh. Ini 3 dulu ya. 3 students for pre-operative. Ayunda, group 1. Febrianor, group 1. Anissa Arum, group 1. Okay, so we have group 1, Ayunda, Febrianor, and Anissa Arum. Next, group 2, we need 4 students. Putri, group 2. Tiara, group 2. Iya. Khairunisa, group 2. One more student. Okay. Anissa Nofri, group 2. So, group 3 will be Giana, Rizka, Aji, and Agis. Oh iya, 11 ya pas ya, 8. Giana, Rizka, Aji, Agis. Ya ini cowoknya kok 2 sih? Ya, oke. Okay, so here are the group. Biar adil saya tukar boleh ya, karena Aji dan Agis. Biar satu cowok di atas dan satu cowok di bawah. Saya tukar dengan Putri. Putri, grup 3 ya.
Ya, Miss.
Agis, Agis atau Aji? Agis, grup
Aji, Miss.
Agis lah. Agis grup 2 ya.
Yes, Miss.
Oke. Ini grup 1 Ayunda Febrianur Anissa Arum, grup 2 Agis Tiara Khairunisa Anissa Nofri, and group 3 Kiana Rizka Aji and Putri. Prepare your PowerPoint presentation for tomorrow. I only need the activities and expressions used in the speech. Saya tidak mau banyak-banyak kalian menjelaskan apa itu, tapi saya mau activitiesnya apa dan ekspresinya. Alright, so make sure that you have prepared your presentation for tomorrow morning. Alright, any questions before we leave the GMIT? Check. Halo guys.
Ya, Miss.
Apa? Ya, paham ya berarti ya?